Welcome to my video presentation. This is a shopping app designed for both store owners and customers, consisting of 4 main pages. Users are required to log in and choose whether they are a shopkeeper or a customer before using the app. First, users need to register. I have implemented email verification using Firebase's authentication system. Users must input their correct email information and password. After clicking the Sign Up button, they will receive an email verification message. If the email is not verified, clicking on the Login button will result in a status message. Please verify your email. After successful email verification, clicking on the Login button will lead to the identity selection page. Users need to choose whether they are a shopkeeper or a customer. Shopkeepers can input product information by scanning the corresponding product's QR code, including the product name and price, which will be displayed in a list view below. When shopkeeper scans a product's QR code, it will identify the code number and define product's name and price. These values will be displayed one by one in the system and stored in the database. We can scan the QR code and add one more piece of product information to view the results. We can see that by scanning the QR code, the product information has been successfully displayed on the page, and all data has been stored in the database. When the user logs in again, he will see the previously entered product information. Last screen is used for customers. After successfully logging in, customers can scan product QR codes by themselves to view product prices and information and get the total amount of their purchase. Okay, let's scan other product QR code to test the function. We can see that after scanning the QR codes of the 2 products, customers can see the prices of watermelon and pineapple, as well as the total price. Then try it again and scan durian's code. During the development of this app, I utilized Firebase user authentication to enable user sign-up and login. The application employs 4 screens, multiple procedures, control structures, variables, lists, and the barcode scanner sensor. That's part of the logic. And the method of storing and getting data access is Firebase and Tiny. In this project, I also obtained some valuable experience about the challenge. First problem is authentication and data access using Firebase were not available. After multiple tests and debugging, I discovered that Firebase does not support the iOS system. Therefore, I switched to using Tiny and CloudApp to complete the logic and attempted to install an Android emulator. Second is to display 3 list views in parallel. They could be displayed within a screen, but not when placed within a layout. I created a vertical arrangement component as the main layout. Within the vertical arrangement, I added the horizontal arrangement component. Inside the horizontal arrangement component, I added 3 list view components, which are intended to display values. I set the height property for each list view component to fill parent to ensure they fill the horizontal arrangement. Finally, the failure to access values in the database. This could be due to incorrect database paths specified in App Inventor, lack of permissions assigned to users for database reading or writing, or discrepancies in field names, including differences in letter case. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your listening and patience.